Good morning. My name is Aura Lucrecia Murcia Cortés. Takes 3. Planning in trade. Travel itinerary introduction in el place. Yopal Casanare is spectacular municipality al offer of a variety of fauna, flora, and incredible sunrise and sunsets ideal to enjoy al with. Deserve vacation. Yopal ice temperature time range between 22 to 23. In X importante al use of sunscreen in able of comfortable clothing. On el other hand, in Yopal, you will be have to hate not only el delicious gastronomy, but of el different reviews. Inside in tourist attraction, Talgueri are. In addition to visiting in definite space where you will have an approach to natural. Something important is to build with ability to find transporting into non-problems. Duración of el trip. Super promotion. Al exclusive plan. El vacation plan Yopal Casanare Lakes 3 days, 2 nights. Day 1. Arrive to selecting hotel to eat with offer delicious plato of meat a la llanera in La Mamona restaurant. When it's very taxi in el afternoon, you can enjoy el wonderful with offer very el mirador de la Virgen. To finish of night, you will enjoy a delicious dinner and home in Leipzig, but in el Hotel Pub. Reviews of el Hotel departed to el historic Piera theme park where you can see el different stones, sculpture and home in deliciosa aguapanela wing checks. El visit San Jose Cathedral. I night have dinner and likes to hot music en el terrace of el Paradise Club. Day 3. Delicious breakings with tune. There is Vicentov, el parking offer where you will enjoy el different attraction. Lunch with sancocho de gallina. Finally, a queer visit of el Colombian handicrafts of Yopal where you find a great variety of something. El Teinbull go to el Buff on turn to your city of origin. Means of transportation. El join is wonderful while you can use public services, a bus or taxis. Since you can hear a terrifier and the airsin. Activities to you. On your first days, you will be able to haze el pleasing while two virgin, where in addition exercise, you will be able to observe el month beautiful sunset and el increíble view of el city entry city. Second, if you are new of touching to appreciate working of mother of store impaired story train par ins on el base places to visit. Since you find a variety of sculptures made of stones, as in things, plus you can enhance el gun breeze and the wonder food with you can also take as many photos as you can and choose comparable in beautiful experience. On el Anhat, on el Paradise Club Terraza, you can time World Borbing Day, expect and the horn and next night and nice. Finally, you one canton live with for high and hoin is offer tourist attraction tal el Naqua. Water park has as six is on offer most complex par X Yopal. Since if a different X like swimming pools and the Explore River on which you will own a rich and luxurious bags. You can also acquire el different souvenir tal Oreo place of Colombia and the craft and the two have a nice detail. Will el honest you love most. Humpil Kalfof. Yopal Casanare as for you el bigs meat a la llanera with use typical silver. In addition to delicious sancocho de gallina. El rice, hallacas, in el tais tungus de arroz. You can leave it with fish and hoy a delicious paisa mazamorra. On executing masato and refrigant guarapo of a very cold beer. Cooks, come and join ticks Increíble promoción anal vacuum wearing Halloween Part 1 and Hoi 2 $14,000 pesos. Super promoción tal 100 you. Thank you.